Baby, let me hold you. Yeah, you know, say.
Hello, my viewers. How are you all doing over there? I guess you guys are doing very, very great. I'm fine over here. Life is gradually coming back to normal. We thank God for that. Today, I am welcoming you back to Abbie's kitchen. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm indeed very grateful for those that have subscribed to my videos. For those that keep watching my videos, I say thank you very much. For those also that have not subscribed yet, please just subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, because you're gonna be watching a lot of goodies. Yeah, for your health, for good health. Yeah. So today we are going to be talking about part 2 of the meat pie preparation. Yeah, in my last video I described how to prepare the Nigerian meat pie from beginning to end. Please drop a comment in the comment section and please tell me what you want me to describe and to explain. I will gladly do that. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you all. Yeah, and so guys, keep watching. I'm not going to be talking as I'm going on with my preparation. I would like you to watch my video part 1 so that you will understand what is going on here. I already have described the process, everything step 1 to the end, and so just keep watching and don't forget to click on part 1 to understand what exactly is going on here. Happy viewing, guys.
Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me no, not then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are not fit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me no, not then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are not fit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me no, not then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are not fit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me no, not then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are not fit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me no, not then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are not fit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, don't million ways to say that you look good in every way. Yeah, for me the magic, for me the metal. If you're telling me to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, there are a million ways to say that you look good in everywhere. Yeah, for me the magic, oh, for me the medal. If you're telling me no, nah, then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are counterfeit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, there are a million ways to say that you look good in everywhere. Yeah, for me the magic, oh, for me the medal. If you're telling me no, nah, then that balance is a balance. All of the girls are counterfeit. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Balance is a balance. Don't really got much to say, but the girl got pretty much everything. Yeah, there are a million ways to say that